Hi friends, Namaskar, good morning. In this video, I am going to give you some tips on how to take care of your financial health during the present lockdown situation and how to fine tune your savings and expenses so that you can manage your finances very easily even in difficult times. Challenging business conditions due to this pandemic, unduly long hours of work from home, uncertainties like possible relocation, salary cuts, even job loss for some people have all become the reality today. In this scenario, irrespective of whatever you earn, I want you to focus your attention on three major areas. First of all, we will take up how you spend your income. You know 50-30-20 budget rule? Normally, every person would require to spend at least 50% of his income for satisfying the needs, 30% of the income to satisfy the wants, and the remaining 20% is saved for the future. This is popularly known as 50-30-20 rule given by Elizabeth Warren, US Senator from Massachusetts and Harvard University bankruptcy expert. Our monthly spending on essential needs of life are mainly for purchase of groceries, vegetables and fruits, payment of house rent, EMI on home loan if you have taken a loan for purchase of your house, payment of utilities like power, water, fuel, transportation, and insurance, health insurance, vehicle insurance. Even though normally insurance is paid at the end of the year through annual premium, I've taken the monthly payment of insurance so that there will not be any much burden at the end of the year. And also debt servicing, your EMI on various loans, personal loan or car loan and credit card payments. These are the basic needs for which you have to provide for from out of the monthly income. Then coming to wants, we are having 30% of the spending for this purpose, like purchase of luxury items, fancy clothes, entertainment, eating out, tours and travels, and all other lifestyle expenses, right? So this 50 and 30% over, remaining 20% only is saved for our future. But during this is normal situations, but in crisis situations like the present pandemic lockdown scenario, I urge you to make some slight changes in your savings and spendings habit so that with a little effort you can manage your finances very easily. Let us first take a review of our expenses under the head needs. While all other items have to be necessarily spent to maintain the family, the transport and fuel costs for vehicle are saved now. In lockdown period, we cannot move out at all. And so this saving is nearly 10% of your total expenses on fuel and transport alone. Similarly, during the lockdown, we cannot visit the malls, nor we can splurge money on purchasing luxury items, fancy goods, nor spend money on tours and travels, nor any entertainment, outing, eating outside is not there. So you can save a lot of money under this segment also. I would say if you save at least 60% or two-thirds of the amount earned earmarked for these wants, then this takes your savings by another 20%, so that overall you can save 40% out of the monthly income during this lockdown situation alone. I would suggest the moment your salary is credited to your checking account, you take this 40% out of that and you transfer this 40% to a separate savings account. Another important suggestion, practical suggestion I want to make is you should have a proper and adequate health insurance cover for all the members of your family. We do not know when this pandemic lockdown will be over. We do not know, God forbid, when any of the family members might get sick. We do not know how much and what is the cost and nature of the treatment that we may have to provide. So to ensure that all the members in the family are covered with proper and adequate health insurance, increase the mediclaim insurance policy limit, utilizing the top-up provisions available with the insurance companies to get maximum cover for the entire family. Any shortfall you can always meet from out of the emergency corpus, right? Yes, creating an emergency fund or corpus is our next priority. Every family shall have an emergency fund created through monthly savings to form a corpus to meet any urgent need, like paying for some sudden medical exigencies, to undertake some major repair work to your house or to the car, to meet living expenses at times of a crisis, like salary cuts, job loss, or shifting of job, and similar such situations. This corpus can also be utilized to meet any down payment requirement insisted by banks while availing a loan for purchase of a house, or while purchasing a new car, or for higher education of the children, without having to raise any personal loan or increase in the credit limits, credit card limits. The very purpose of creating this emergency fund is to curtail the expenses and also to desist from raising any fresh liability. So if you have not created any emergency fund so far, this is high time you please create one. Normally this emergency fund can be 3 months of your gross income or up to a limit of 6 months your living expenses. In the present pandemic situation, you need to have at least 4 to 5 lakhs of balance in your emergency fund, and it shall be kept in a separate account in liquid form outside your savings account, and it should be easily withdrawable. And hopefully, with no such emergency arising, the entire savings in the corpus is available as a solid savings base for you for the future. Another important suggestion I want to make is that in the present situation, don't withdraw anything from your Provident Fund account. Provident Fund is the social security for your future. It's a part of your retirement benefit. Don't use the future money just to tide over the temporary financial setbacks in the present. Even if there could be salary cuts in some organizations, do not worry. I can foresee a scenario in the immediate future that for all the hard work you put in and the loyalty you show to the organization in testing times, your organization will definitely come back with fitting rewards when things improve. They may compensate you by offering ESOP options or create venue for contributory provident fund. So whenever there is such provision, don't miss the opportunity and increase your contribution to the full permissible limit so that you will receive employer's contribution also on a matching basis. It is almost free money for you in your account, which will attract more interest in future. So you appreciate that there is a need as well as adequate room for making enough savings during these pandemic lockdown days. Make full use of this situation as an opportunity to save more and make it as a habit and a way of life. More importantly, continue the present austerity measures you have been taking, and also the saving mindset even after the lockdown is lifted. So happy planning, stay healthy, stay safe, and good luck.